Ever wondered how to wireframe a SaaS listing website in just minutes? In this video, we'll show you how to do it using MockFlow Wireframe Pro's Genius AI in under 2 minutes, from AI-generated layout to the final design. To get started, log into your MockFlow account, go to your dashboard, hover over New Wireframe, and select Generate with AI. Enter your prompt. In this example, we'll wireframe a SaaS tool listing website for a client. You can also choose your preferred style, such as image or sketchy, based on your design needs. Then, click Generate. As you can see, the editable wireframe for a listing website has been created using your AI prompt. Now, you can customize it further to match your requirements. Once you're done, your SaaS tool listing website wireframe is ready. To share it, click on Export. Choose your preferred export option, select the page you'd like to export. And click Create PNG followed by Download. Your wireframe will be instantly generated as an image. Enjoyed this tutorial? Hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more quick AI wireframing guides using MockFlow's Genius AI.